Hi guys, now we are going to see operation and maintenance. This is a very important chapter because based on our operation and maintenance only, that entire system will work smoothly. Normally, solar system will work 25 to 30 years based on our maintenance performance. We can keep the performance in the same level. We need to be do the operation and maintenance properly. So approximately per 1 megawatt, it will cost 7 to 8 lakh rupees per maintenance alone. So this is the approximate calculation. Let me see what are the things are involving for operation and maintenance, how it will be functioning. Yeah. So operation and maintenance. Schematic layout. This is the basic structure of solar's model. So photovoltaic array, string inverters, solar PV model mounting system, combined boxes, solar inverter, battery, AC electricity load, electric board connection. So need for operation and maintenance. So we will see panel, inverter, then rest of the thing. So panel, we need to clean panel regularly, grease trackers, gear and actuator, check hydraulics, calibrate controllers and sensor, remove vegetation, snow and ice from blocking panels. So clean the panel regularly, at least based on our your solar panel, there is forming in a dust. So based on that vegetation, that backland, that vegetation will grow. Grease tracking, gears and actuators, check hydraulics. These are the things we need to do regularly. Other item. SCADA. Inspect the SCADA. Inspect this supervisory controller and data acquisition. This is the SCADA mean, and the metrological system communication, connect and test signal strength. So performance thermal images to test electrical connection, inspect for loose connections, rust, moisture or pest infection, test string current. So string combiner. So line from additional array, sub combiner, DC connection. Test inverter functionally and setting. Perform thermal image to test electric connection. Inspect for loose connection. So these are the things we need to maintain the properly. So happening fault, what are the things regularly will happen? So fault diagnostic, or anything fault has happened, we need to diagnose. Routine services, we need to do the routine services, repairing of faulty component. What already any fault components are there, inverter or panel or any AC/DC boxes, we need to be prepared. Preventing maintenance, reactive maintenance. So if you take preventing maintenance, anything will happen in after a few months or few years, we need to identify and we need to rectify. So condition based on maintenance, I told 7 to 8 lakhs per megawatt per year. These are maintenance costs will happen. So personal protective equipment for signals and warning. So if you normally that DC current, nature of the current is different, AC current nature of the things are different. So we need to be protect, insulation gloves, harder safety glasses, boots, fire rated clothes, safety vest, ear plugs. These are the things per person required. Role of maintenance engineer. We are suppose we are putting in a megawatt project. So these are the things will be taken care of maintaining engineer. We need to teach them and we need to guide them to do all those things. Suppose domestic 3 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt, we can do it ourselves. So otherwise, we company who are put the solar, we need to be ask those people to guide us to do all those things. Identify the problem and develop corrective action plan. Scheduling and the execution of preventing and predictive maintenance. Performing various inspections, testing, repairs, and troubleshooting in according with its specification. Provide timely written review report from field operation status and feedback. Record, report all fault definitions and other unusual correction. General maintenance checkup. So every month or 15 days once, we need to check up general panel cleaning and washing, checking connections of wires, testing voltage, current through wires and PV models, inspecting component for moisture, testing of SCADA and metrological system communication, confirming setting on inverter, reselling of system component, additional maintenance need including the removal of grass vegetation to ensure effective system operation. Possibility event, if you take because that a more space occupied panel only, so that based depend upon the our site that these are the things will happen. So bad droppings, dust accumulated. Suppose industry side, factory side, these dust accumulation will happen continuously. Traffic like that, dust accumulate. But bad dropping is suppose we are putting in a bad land. This bad dropping and this forest nearby trees, that bad dropping will happen. Crack development. So loose clamp in a panel. So like a railway track, we need to be properly supervise this one. So array washing procedure. What are the procedures are there? So array, we need not to run the wear rubber soles with the good. Never work on models. We models. This layer is in a very thin layer. So we should not walk in on upside of the model. So before washing model, we need to ensure that these are the things we need to be walk the site to confirm there is no broken model. Plan for water runoff. Identify the water source to be used. Determine the best of the getting water the model. Washing model. Deionized water is preferred. Prefer pressure of 50 to 70 pound per square inch. Use the soft Britain brush to get stubborn dirt off. Use extension with tool to be able to reach extension distance. So these are all those things will take care. If you take in a mega watt project, that will take care in a that robo, it will take care. So after washing model, clean up the tools, remove and draining blocks, record the washing in maintenance log, compare the output previous reading. So after washing, we need to do all those things. So panel diagnostic test. There is a software also available. We can do it in a manual or larger volume. We can do it in a based on our equipment. So sample IR image. So before that, after that. So how it will be there? This pictures also will show. So inverter troubleshooting, inverter error action, DC under voltage. Suppose inverter, we can physically we can identify it. We can do it in a even an app also is there. We can identify what is the problem is coming in the models. But the inverters we can't able to identify physically. So that expert only can do. But understanding purpose, we can know these are the things. DC understanding, step to diagnostic underperforming system. DC over voltage, VOC string testing. DC ground fault detection procedure. AC undervolt, confirm all breakers or check the voltage with the voltmeter. If within a range, perform a manual restart. If outside of range, contact operation and maintenance engineer. So AC overloaded. Check AC voltage with the voltmeter. If within a range, perform a manual restart. If outside of the range, contract utility. Low power system is likely just shutting down because of lack of sun. If it is sunny, perform the step, the diagnostic underperforming system. Over temperature, fan not operating. Check power supply to fan. If good, replace the fan. If bad, replace power supply. Over temperature, fan is operating. Check the confirm sensor reading. If bad, replace sensor. If good, investing further. Over temperature, fan is operate, sensor are accurate. Check the intake and excess filter for execution, build up and clean or replace the necessary. Monitoring of power plants, remote operation center. This is the all the thing we can connect it with our system also. Weather situation, satellite. These also with the Google map we can do it. Weather station, plant schedule, plant controller, PV plant, inverter, photovoltaic combining switcher, substation, grid current. Taking voltage reading of power suppliers, validate current reading by comparing to calibrate equipment, validating sensor reading by comparing to calibrate equipment, compare measure value by the CADA must be verified again voltage value from device with the traceable calibration record. So tracking inspection. So lubricant tracker, remove vegetation, check windows top stove position, maximum power current of all string with the inverter on, short circuit ISC, testing of stringer, current voltage curve testing of string. So we need to prepare the this type of graph. So we need to do frequently checking. This is as already I told, maintenance is the playing a very big role in the maintenance in our plant. So we need to be frequent monitoring, maintaining day to day. Then we can get the good result. With this, we are ending this chapter. So we are going to meet next chapter, next video. All the best, team.